If you're anxious or stressed out, the way you're breathing could be making it worse. Hi, I'm Dr. Kiki Failing, a licensed psychologist and expert in dialectical behavior therapy, or DBT. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most powerful tools that you already have for calming down when you're really stressed out or reducing anxiety. It's a skill called paced breathing, and it's the third of the 4 DBT tip skills. These skills were designed to help you regulate your nervous system and calm down when you're really stressed out. In this video, I'm going to walk through the basics of paced breathing, what this skill is about, why it works, how to practice it, and then I will actually practice the skill along with you. If you can't practice now or don't want to, I encourage you to save this video for a later time when you can practice, and you can just skip ahead to the chapter entitled Breathe with Me. For now, let me tell you all about how you're breathing incorrectly. I want you to imagine someone having a panic attack, maybe based on what you've seen on TV or movies, or maybe what you've seen in real life. And I bet you can picture someone who's breathing really fast and kind of heaving and breathing intensely through their chest like this, like that kind of breathing is a natural part of the body's stress response, also known as the fight or flight response. Making you breathe fast is one way that your body tries to protect you by getting oxygen to your body quickly when you're trying to run away from something or fight something, fight or flight. Whenever you're stressed out or scared or overwhelmed with emotion, your body responds this way, even if you're not actually in danger. That's why when you're stressed out, you start breathing more quickly and more shallowly into your chest. Alternatively, when you're calm, your body's relaxation response is activated, and you breathe more slowly and more deeply. So here is the cool part. When you are scared, your body's stress response kicks in and makes you breathe faster and more shallow, making you more anxious. If you then purposefully slow down and deepen your breath, you can actually activate the body's relaxation response and help yourself calm down. You're basically communicating to your body that you are safe, that it's okay, and deactivating that stress response. So the DBT skill of paced breathing uses the mind-body connection to change your physiological response in order to change your emotion. Paced breathing, simply, is breathing slowly at a regular pace in a way that is designed to help you deactivate your body's stress response. You breathe this way for as long as you need to. Often you'll need at least 5 minutes, sometimes maybe more, to help yourself calm down fully. And when paced breathing, there are 3 things you want to keep in mind: breathing deeply, making your exhales longer than your inhales, and breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's talk about why these 3 techniques are so important. So first, to feel calmer using paced breathing, you want to make sure that you are breathing deeply into your belly. This style of breathing, also called diaphragmatic breathing, mimics that relaxation response I described earlier and helps you calm down. Let's take 10 seconds right now to help you practice. Place your hand on your belly, kind of right over your belly button. Now I want you to take a few breaths as you watch your hand. What you're looking for is, if you are breathing into your belly using your diaphragm, your hand will slightly move in and out as you breathe in and as you breathe out. A lot of times people breathe into their chest, and you don't want to see your chest moving. So take a few moments and watch your hand as you take a few deep breaths. If you didn't see your hand move, that makes sense. Pause the video and take a few moments to practice, specifically trying to breathe down into your stomach such that your hand does move with each breath. That is diaphragmatic breathing. The second technique for reducing anxiety fast with paced breathing is making sure your exhales are longer than your inhales. Every single time that you breathe in, your heart rate increases a little bit, and every time that you breathe out, it decreases. So you can use this fact in that mind-body connection way, knowing that every time you elongate your exhale, you're helping your heart slow down. Again, changing your body in order to change your emotion. Finally, the third tip is breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. To my understanding, this one isn't based on science actually, but it's a way to make it easier to hold this kind of regular, slow, elongated exhale pace when you're not used to breathing this way. Keeping all of these 3 things in mind, we're going to practice together. I really, really, really encourage you to practice along with me. The more that you practice paced breathing regularly when you're not stressed out, the easier it will be to practice when you are stressed out, and the more quickly and more intensely the skill will help you. For today's practice, I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes, and I'm going to have us breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 6 seconds. When you pace breathe on your own, you can use any kind of breath cycle that you prefer, but I like this 4-6 cycle because research does show that helps reduce your heart rate, but then also it's nice and even within a minute, 6 breaths in a minute, 10 seconds each. It makes it easier to watch a clock, which then can help you stay focused when you're trying to pace breathe when upset. I just want to note before we dive in that this may feel very strange. You may have a lot of trouble breathing at a 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out kind of pace. That's normal. It might not be the pace that is best for you, or you just might need some time to get used to it. As you breathe, you can close your eyes and listen to the count, or you can keep your eyes open and watch the visualization that I will also be following as I practice along with you. You also can just choose to watch something else in your environment rather than look at the screen. Final reminder before we begin, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and try to breathe deeply into your belly. If you'd like to place your hand over your belly button to act as a cue for yourself, trying to breathe into your hand, you're welcome to do so. Okay, ready? So to get ready to inhale, I'm going to ask you to exhale right now. Ready? Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How was that? Comment below and let me know how you're feeling. Hopefully you feel a little bit more grounded or calm. But again, if you don't, that's normal, especially if you're first starting out. You probably need more than 2 minutes, or maybe you need to use a different speed of breath than 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. It's up to you. Make sure that you experiment and find the pace that works for you. And also play around with how long you need to pace breathe to actually help you calm down when you're feeling stressed. Of course, if you're feeling super panicked or overwhelmed right now as you're watching this video, I actually encourage you to practice other tip skills, specifically tip your temperature. You can check out those other videos here, or check out the resources listed below in the description, or subscribe to my channel to learn more about other DBT skills that can help you when you're feeling upset. In the meantime, thank you for watching, thank you for breathing with me, and I'll see you next time.